Welcome back to the, where are we?
PBA League.
The PBA League! Portland, Maine, Bopo, whatever you want to call it. It's the greatest bowling place in the world. We have qualifying today, 10 games of round robin. We're bowling every single team and there's a position round at the end. And if we qualify in the top 2, we don't bowl for 3 days. That's what we want, because that gets us a lot closer to winning the entire tournament. We got a solid team this year. Not saying we haven't in the past, but a bunch of guys that bowled college at the same time. I'm feeling good, the elbow's feeling good. Yesterday's probably the best I've thrown it off my hand in a long time, so I'm feeling pretty good. Every time I come here, I feel great. Let's get it done. So, funny enough, this is Packy's Kingpin debut, and we're bowling against his former team.
We are.
If you wanna go party with us tonight. If you wanna go hang out with us tonight. Drop the beat, bring it on, don't kill the vibe, I'm in my zone. Drop the beat, bring it on, don't kill the vibe, I'm in my zone.
Don't kill it, I got the whole team with us, the whole team with an OB grinning, no vibe killers, no vibe killers, I'm outside with the real Antrillist, I'm lit, don't shit, I'm in my zone so the kid don't miss, stay in my lane, do my thing, never complain, I don't need no trip, okay? Whole team with us, no vibe killers, no vibe killers, no vibe killers, no vibe killers.
If you wanna go party with us tonight. If you wanna go hang out with us tonight. Drop the beat, bring it on, don't kill the vibe, I'm in my zone. Drop the beat, bring it on, don't kill the vibe, I'm in my zone.
Yeah, in my zone and in my lane. They must think I'm in my yates. They must think I came to play. I drop bombs and I make it rain. You can't speak to me. All of the lights that gon' lead to me. Part of your mind, I do it frequently. Good vibes and love, what it needs to be. If you wanna come hang, do it decently. And it's that time, cause everyone welcome. Someone fall down, then everyone helps them. The party don't stop till I hit a pin drop. Tick tock, welcome.
I like that.
Tick tock, welcome. Tick tock.
Go party with us tonight.
No!
If you wanna go hang
Not how we thought it was gonna happen.
with us tonight. Drop the beat, bring it on, don't kill the vibe, I'm in my zone. Drop the beat, bring it on, don't kill the vibe, I'm in my zone. If you wanna go party with us tonight. If you wanna go hang out with us tonight. Drop the beat, bring it on, don't kill the vibe, I'm in my zone. Drop the beat, I'm in my zone.
Hold me up. Nice. We are the 3rd seed. Much bigger improvement. We are guaranteed to finish better than last year. I put the word in the air. I was joking. I was like, Mikey's gonna throw the black ball, Packy's gonna throw the purple ball, Marshall and Tyler are gonna hook the hell out of the lane, and I'm gonna pick up spares, which is essentially what I did today. All in all, this is a good start. I'm happy. We're gonna win. Yeah. We're gonna win. It's our year. This is our year. This is our year. Complete team effort, chemistry, tier 1. Ball reaction wasn't the best, but we're bowling. It's a new game now, different house. Let's go.
Forgotten, I'm calling in the garden. I wait for you on eggshells in bad health, gates of hell. I walk right through. Don't blame me, no maybes. Betray me, and I'll come for you.
That's what we live for, boys. Let's go. It's our time. All right. Kingpin's on 3. 1, 2, 3. Kingpin.
For you. a man supposed to do. In my eyes, I stand up close to you. Get a word and I'm suiting up. There ain't nothing they can do with us. Had it all, thought I knew enough. Take my words and I chew them up. Till I'm in my coffin and rotting, just dead and forgotten. I'm waiting and watching. You know that I ain't never stopping. I never let it come and stop the motive. Until it's over, man, it drops the motive. Never gotta look over your shoulder. And even when the world is getting colder, I'll be the one to come and warm it over. I'll never forever.
You're running. Take it. It's all yours. You asked for this. Do it. Yeah. Here we go. Here's your reason.
You've been here. You know what you got to do. Do it. Win or roll off. We go out, we celebrate.
Come on. Just keep playing, boys. Just keep playing the game. Come on.
What now? We on a chase to the sundown.
No!
Chase to the sundown. What's up? Leading the line when we run up. Chasing. Every day we chasing. No time to be wasted. Look, taking the lead, we don't follow. We need it now, not tomorrow. Don't care what they say, not changing the pace. Working too hard to be last in the race. So much time in the day, and it ain't none to waste. Working this hard to be one of the greats. Whatever it takes, put that on the plate. Life is a gamble, we raising the stakes. Moving the ball. So bright, we shining, platinum sound cool, but we tryna reach changing the world with this rhyme and it's priceless. We got the nicest by putting the time in. Can't be the greatest, not even trying. What now? We on the chase to the sundown. We on the chase to the sun up. What's up? Leading the line when we run up. Chasing. Every day we chasing. No time to be wasted. Line. Started, I gotta finish mine. It's get it time, anytime, hella long. I've been in line, I'm getting mine at all. Wake and bake, won't take a break at all. That's on my word, my boss. Naming lights, gon' have to pay me twice or pay me no mind, and I don't mind it all. My word is green, I ain't my job to inspire. Behind goats, a line that's been fired by a chain for 8 time. I ain't get hired, second week kicked in. I probably won't get tired. Kevin Gates and Kevin Blake. Only 6 degrees of separation between me and the next level of elevation. Perseverance, the art of dedication.
It's against the rules, but I feel like you gotta give the people what they want. Are they gonna give us 0 for this one? We had a better run. You gotta try one more year. You gotta try one more year. You're 1 for 1. You know, they brought it. Might have had a little TV yips there. As a team, we just didn't really bowl our best. So when you're bowling against the best and you don't bowl your best, you can't really expect the best results. It's tough. You have so many moving parts when you're bowling in a team environment, in a Baker game, and everyone's got to be firing, you know, at least 4, you know, to pick up the 1. So we just weren't all firing at the same time, and that happens.
You struck most of your shots?
I did. I had 3 out of 4. So I guess fun fact, I have...
Oh, look at this guy.
Sexy. I can't say mad at this guy. It was a good one. He pulled off a good one. If you guys didn't see that vlog, you guys got to go to their channel and watch it.
Just to let you know, I didn't want to do it.
I look like
I
a
literally
little baby.
The first thing I had to do when I walked in the center is do it, or else I was going to chicken out. And I hated doing it the entire time.
Well, Kyle Sherman doesn't chicken out, so. We are still good. We're homies. It'll always stay that way.
Golden, baby. I mean,
golden.
One of these years, we're going to take this thing home.
We will. Hopefully we can keep running back the same team. At least something similar to this core.
Hey, maybe they'll give us more than 1 tournament to bowl. That would be
fantastic.
That would be cool.
I feel like we'd win at least 1 a year.
More than one.
More than just PBA League in Portland.
I'm fine if we just win 1 a year.
It's also pretty cool.
Regardless of if we have 1 or if we have 6.
This is Packy's first loss.
The Packy's ratio has dropped dramatically from 100 to 66.6666. However you want to swing it. We'll see what happens next year. Don't know if we're going to have the same team. Hopefully we get at least 4 of the 5 guys. It's tough, you know, in the draft.
I'm feeling a few things. I really don't, I just didn't think we were going to lose that first game. I think we had a great look. You know, you win with 5, you lose with 5. We just made a couple of frames, some of those frames were a little errored shots, you know, whatever. Second game, I really thought we were lined up because we were playing them basically the same with urethane. Changed the lineup. I felt really good with the lineup change, to be honest. I don't know, it just didn't work out. I don't know.
A couple of hiccups here and there.
There were a couple hiccups here and there, and honestly, you know, even the last few years, we've had a good look.
We've been bowling good.
Yeah.
We've just been getting beat.
Right. I mean, the first game, we should have been in a tie, is how I felt. I think they were going to beat us the second game when they went spared.
We get the spare, we win by 1.
Correct. I really do feel like we should have won that first game. They had a good look that second game.
Right.
We didn't strike, and then it goes to the tie break. And honestly, we were going to have the tie break on the left lane because you had to throw it on the left lane, the lane you ended on. And I feel good about that. So, you know, just a few hiccups. We'll see. We're, you know, better than last year. Not where we want to be, but definitely, you know, got to clean up some of those frames, and we're good to go.
There you have it. That's our manager.
Are we supposed to be happy? I don't know. We're not supposed to be happy.
I'm not happy, but I'm not going to take it like I used to take it. You know, just take it so hard that it throws you into a dive and then you can't recover.
No diving. There's no diving.
I feel really good, honestly, about this week because this is the first time I've actually thrown it how I feel like I can throw it. Coming off of the elbow thing, so personally I feel pretty good.
You threw it good. I mean, it didn't look like you were injured or anything.
No, I felt great. So
everybody did. So
moving in the right direction.
And it was a fun week. You're absolutely correct.
Fun.
More fun to come.
Winning is fun.
Winning is fun. Winning is fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.